everyone, welcome back. My name is Roxanne and this is my unboxing channel. Today we're going to do the Fabfitfun Winter Edit Sale. I did not grab the box, unfortunately. I did not have enough money this month to do that. And after I do this video, I'm going to do another unboxing video quickly, and then in that video there'll be details on a giveaway I'm doing and a giveaway that I'll be planning to do in the future. So make sure you hit the subscribe button and the bell, and I'll let you know when I post those videos, and then you can start entering and sharing. So anyway, let's get to Fabfitfun. So Fabfitfun is a seasonal box. It's 4 times a year. It's summer, winter, fall, spring, all mixed up. It's $49.99 American, which works out to be over $60 Canadian. It usually comes with between $200 to $300 worth of stuff. Depends on what you like, if you'll like it or not. It's a mix of exercise stuff. It's a mix of makeup, perfumes, and body stuff, and kitchen stuff, and house stuff. I did not grab the edit box like I said, but it looked really, really neat. It had a crossover body purse, it had a wallet, it had a couple of makeup items you could grab. I did grab the winter box. I do have the video up. But anyway, these are some of the items I picked out. I wanted to see if it was worth it. I had a $15 referral credit. Thank you to the person that used my referral. I do get a $15 credit, as well as if you use the link, you get $10 off your next box. Right now it is the winter edit box, and it does look really neat. I do want it, but unfortunately right now I'm just gonna have to pass on it. I did grab a mystery bundle. Unfortunately, I am Canadian. Well, unfortunately, sorry. I am in Canada, so we're limited to 3 mystery bundles. So we'll see which one I got. I also got a $20 American credit from Fabfitfun to use towards this edit sale. So I had $35 worth of credit, which is awesome. So I put it to good use. I bought the mystery bundle with it. I did have to pay $8 to ship for this. Let's see what I got. Put that on the ground. So the first thing I got is the Invisibobbles crackers. Now this was $7 American, which is about $11 Canadian with taxes. 3 of these usually go for about $10 here in Canada at our Shoppers Drug Mart. There is 9 in here. So it ends up being a pretty good deal, except for the fact I cut all my hair off. My daughter will use these. If I don't, I'm growing out my hair long. As much as I like it short, I want it long. My daughter likes to eat my hair, so it went short until she stops eating it and she stops playing with it. But I love these. If you get a chance to try them out, do. Right now Shoppers has 3 of them for $10, but they smell like cookie dough and chocolate. I'm really tempted just to buy them, put them on my wrist, so when I'm at work I could just smell them. Anyway, bless you. The next item I got, I did a little searching on this company before I bought it. I work in a really physically demanding job, so I like having baths with bath salts. This is Bring Bathorium Crush Northern Sage Recovery. This is a proudly Canadian made fragrance and color free Epsom salt based creamy foaming lather. It's for 5 soaks. I paid for this and this Pine and Spearmint Bathorium Elixir Bubble Bath. I paid $29 for it. I didn't realize that. It's kind of expensive. So it's about $44 Canadian with tax. Fabfitfun put the value at $84, which is $113 Canadian. I did some, sorry, that's not right. I paid $17 Canadian, or American, $25 Canadian, sorry. The value is at $48, which would be about $60 Canadian. This is a Canadian company, so I was really thrilled, but I bought it from an American company, which doesn't make any sense. I did find that this is worth $33 on their website. I did not find this small one, but the next size up is 250, which is just double this size. Sorry, this is 60 mils, so almost 4 times the size, for I believe just $20 maybe, I can't remember, but so they don't have this size there. I'm excited to use this. This is to help with sore muscles, which I constantly have because I'm old and I'm going to be older on Friday, so I can smell it already, and I'm really excited, especially since it's a Canadian company. Let's see here. So the next item I got was a shower style bundle. That was I paid $29 with taxes. It was $44 Canadian. It's supposed to have a value of $84, which was $113 Canadian. So I searched up the price, and the first item I have here is the Euro Konjac sponge. I like these. I have a small one upstairs in the bathroom from Daily Concepts, and I use it for my face when I'm in the shower. So this is supposed to retail for $25 on wild.ca, but we all know we can find these at Winners for way less, for maybe $5, $6. But that's what the retail value is supposed to be for them. So, and that's Canadian. I'm really excited to use this. Now, the other item I was interested in trying is this black Meteor Shower Shimmer Scrub. But then I read some reviews on this, and now I'm not so sure. Apparently it dyes you black and does not come off. Maybe since the whole Ipsy fiasco, it has changed its the way it works, but I highly doubt it. So just like a meteor become incandescent with friction and turns into ethereal shimmer of light black, Meteor Shower Shimmer Scrubs gives you the chance to experience your own glow-inducing meteor shower at home. Formulated with actual meteorite dust from outer space, our Meteorite Shower Shimmer Scrub is filled with tiny fragments of matter from the cosmos. Fun to use, exfoliates, nourishes, and rebalances the skin, leaving your body smooth, supple, and iridescent results. So I'm going to try this, and I will let you know if it turns me back or leaves my skin gray, I guess. So I looked for this online. I could not find it by itself unless it was on Amazon for about $4 or $5, but I don't think it was this big of a bag. This feels like I'm going to get several uses out of it. Like I said, the reviews on this aren't great, but I will definitely look into it and let you guys know. It was for $4 or $5 American, which is about $7 Canadian. But like I said, it didn't have a size. Black did have this on their website, but it came with iPads and a few other things for $25. So it's not just this. I do have their iPads upstairs. I haven't had a chance to use them yet, so they'll be on my list. Maybe I'll use them at the same time as that. Then the other thing I got is the chlorine. I'm going to say this wrong. Chlorine. Soothing anti-irritating shampoo with peony, sensitive and irritated scalp. I got this to try the shampoo. I, for some reason, didn't even look at what the shampoo was with it. I was just excited to get shampoo, which is strange, I know. But I went on Amazon and I went on well.ca to find out this retails for $33 Canadian. $33 for shampoo. Ouch. So I'm going to try it, and hopefully it does not remove the dye from my hair. It looks like it won't if it's really sensitive. Now the conditioner I only found on their site, and it was listed for $20 American, which is about $27 Canadian. So this bundle right here, the shampoo and conditioner make it worth the while. Everything else is kind of like a freebie. So I'm hoping, like I said, I'm hoping this will help. Like, won't strip my hair of the color, but will help. I'm really interested to try $50 shampoo and conditioner. don't have that kind of money just lying around here, but we'll try. So the last item I got was my mystery bottle, which was $20 American, which again with taxes come to about $44 Canadian. Did have some credits, so I used them up. And I got mystery bag 11. So I didn't really research the items here, but I already see one item I will be using, and that's a professional ice roller from Zoe Ella. Again, sore muscles, I'll be using this. I'm putting it in the freezer as soon as I finish this video, and I will be using it tomorrow because I'm old. Or maybe I'm not. Okay, let's move on. So I got Uni Glow Between Hydrating Gel Micro Mist protects and brightens skin with marine algae anti-pollution complex. Now I have been using the beauty one that I got from the last mystery box. I spray it on my face before I go to work so I don't have to worry about the pollutants at my job. So I guess I might have to actually use this. Like, look how thick that is, because it's Canadian winter here. It's like supposed to be minus something tomorrow, like minus 30. Ooh, I don't know if you can see that. It doesn't have like it's got a smell, but nothing bad. And oh my, it's kind of nice. Kind of smells fruity. I'm going to be using that right tomorrow morning, I think. I might actually. It says you can use over makeup, apply gently, pat the skin for fuller absorption. Of course, avoid use with eyes. Don't get in your eyes. External use only. Feel good. Made with potent natural ingredients. Aroma made with natural essential oils. Cruelty-free, vegan. Huh. I am very excited to try this. Now, I don't know how much this is because, like I said, I didn't look it up. But I am thrilled. The next item, though, I have seen on the Fabfitfun boards. If you are a Fabfit member, if you're a Canadian member, there is a Canadian website that, on the Fabfitfun website, there's community, and then there's a Canadian site, or Canadian thread, where you can find me often. I also started my own Facebook page, which I have, and I love, because the girls are awesome. So anyway, I was reading about this. This is apparently $100 right here. So Fabfitfun guarantees 3 to 4 items. The value is over $100. So this right here is the value of the whole mystery bundle. I've heard some really great things about Terramere. I have never used them. This is called a Rose and Pomegranate Moisturizer. It's anti-aging. Great, because my birthday's on Friday and I need to not age anymore, right? So I can't put it on that hand, so let's put it on this hand. I like the bottle. Right now I'm using Glam Glow's Moisture Surge. It's not coming out. Awesome. So while I'm trying to get this to come out, I may not be able to. We'll cheat. We'll cheat today. Ooh. It's very thick. Can you see that? It's very, very thick. Which might be perfect for my skin right now because, you know, it's winter and it's cold. This is a vinegary scent. Or maybe that's a pomegranate. I don't know. It's not very strong. But I can already see a difference in my hand. I can see that this hand is shinier. I don't know if you can see that. So definitely one to try for $100. I mean, I didn't pay that much, but nope, wrong one. I'm definitely interested in trying that. Maybe it has to be shaken up. I don't know. So anyway, that is my mystery bundle. Sorry, I can't speak because I'm trying to figure out what I want to say. So there's my mystery bundle, which is pretty good. All of this stuff, I'm not sure exactly how much it came to. I didn't add it up to find out if how big of a deal I got, because I didn't know what my mystery bundle was worth. But right there, this like basically pays for everything. I mean, this is $150 right here, right? And then $30 for this. So there's almost $200. So I mean, I don't think I did too bad. The spring box is coming up. I haven't seen any spoilers. On Friday, my birthday, February 1st, there will be the first spoilers for the spring box. I'm kind of excited. I am not sure I'm going to stick around. I do need to cut down on my boxes, and I need to start saving money for a new camera, so we'll see how that goes. So anyway, leave your comments below. I will get back to you when I'm able to. Any questions? If you do want to sign up for Fabfitfun, please use my link. You will get $10 off your next box, which may be the winter edit box. So just watch when you sign up for it. If not, I will let you know when the spring pre-sales are started. If they haven't already, I will check that out. During their sales, they have the add-on periods, which you can buy the mystery bundles for $29 roughly, and a variety of items up to 70 to 80% off. Sometimes they're only 50% off, but you can get some really good deals, especially with beauty products. So anyway, thanks for watching, and I will stay tuned for the next video because it will be part of a giveaway video. Okay, thanks for watching.